This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap.
This is the Market Wrap on a Monday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. According to a UBS poll, investor optimism about the outlook for U.S. financial markets fell this month to the lowest level since September 2005 after concern grew that the world's biggest economy is heading into a recession. The index of investor optimism dropped to 44 in November from 70 last month. Federal Reserve Bank of New York announced that it will conduct a series of term repurchase agreements that will extend into the new year in response to heightened pressure in money markets for funding through the year end. First operation will be arranged and settle on November 28th and mature on January 10th next year for an amount of about $8 billion. There are news reports that Citigroup, the top U.S. bank by assets, is planning major job cuts over the coming months. No exact number has been set, though some jobs were already being eliminated, but it's estimated that cuts could total anywhere between 17,000 and 45,000. Prospective buyers of online brokerage E-Trade Financial are battling over the value of its weakening mortgage portfolio. Analysts have previously said E-Trade will have to pursue strategic alternatives, such as a deal of some assets after large losses in its mortgage business. Sears Holding is considering a tender offer to buy Restoration Hardware for $6.75 a share, but said it is prohibited by the company's refusal to provide confidential information. And to fight concerns about gas prices and macroeconomics, shoppers gave U.S. retailers some relief after initial sales and traffic from Black Friday weekend indicated a solid start to the biggest selling season. Sales on Black Friday rose 8.3% to an estimated $10.3 billion. In Forex news today, the euro rose slightly against the U.S. dollar as traders consolidated their positions following a volatile week that saw new highs daily for the 13-nation currency. The euro, the pound, and other currencies have been climbing steadily against the dollar since August amid fears for the health of the U.S. economy, stoked by the subprime credit crisis. Dollar has been further weakened by interest rate cuts, which can be used to jumpstart an economy, but can also weaken a currency as investors transfer funds to countries where they can earn higher returns. The U.S. Federal Reserve has already cut rates twice, and the speculation is growing that as the subprime fallout continues, it will be forced into another cut. Forex markets remain in a narrow range as the quiet start of the week continues. Some volatility is seen in the Japanese yen following a strong Asian stock market and after news that China is going to invest a portion of its foreign exchange reserves in Japanese stocks. But the impact is expected to be brief, and volatility in the yen is anticipated to decrease. Scheduled economic reports coming out on Tuesday include the retail chain index, housing starts, as well as building permits. In earnings news today, Skillsoft plc reporting net income in the quarter ended October 31st, falling to $6 million or 6 cents a share. That compared to 7 cents in the year-ago period. TAT Technologies' third-quarter earnings rose to $26.1 million or $3.98 a share from 27 cents during the same period last year. And Newell Rubbermaid cut back its sales targets for the fourth quarter and the year, but maintained its profit view as it struggles with weakness in the office products and retail markets. Scheduled earnings reports coming out on Tuesday include Staples, American Eagle Outfitters, Jackson Hewitt Tax Services, Dress Barn, Pep Boys, Talbots, and Marvel Technology. Some of the stocks in the news today: Sony traded higher after Dubai International Capital, a unit of Dubai Holding, said it bought a stake in the Tokyo entertainment giant. Rio Tinto said it would lift the dividend in 2007, 8, and 9, increase its divestment target by more than 50%. Countrywide Financial has turned to the Federal Home Loan Bank in Atlanta as its major source of funding, and the bank's borrowing stands at $51.1 billion. And Freddie Mac is expected to announce a share offering of as much as $5 billion early this week. And that's the Market Wrap on this Monday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.